MB Blue Horizon, this is MB BB Shark Explorer on channel 101 Terra 3, over.
Shark Explorer, this is Blue Horizon. Go ahead, over.
Horizon, we are approaching from your stand and instead overtaking your permission, over.
Shark Explorer, this is Blue Horizon. Roger. Permission granted. I will maintain course and speed. Please proceed with caution. Over.
Roger that, overtaking your starboard side now, thank you. Blue Horizon standing by on 101 Terra 3, BB Shark Explorer out.
Knowledge. Keep passing. Safe. Blue Horizon out.
Port Authority, MV Visual Explore. Stand by, over. Port Authority, BB Shark Explorer. My drop is 7 meters under keel. Clearance 2.5 meters. We are 2 cables north of berth. Tuna 1, 66. Request permission. Permission to ship outside, over.
Shark Explorer for authority. Permission granted to shift alongside berth. Una 1626. Advise when ready to commence shifting. Over.
Authority, MV BB Shark Explorer. Roger, I will shift alongside berth. Una 1626. Advancing when shifting begins. See Explorer out.